wing gliders. Get ready to sail the skies and fly the flag. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders grow with fear. You'll need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk better than any dragon. Wing glider without wings? On your left, you'll see some gronk legs, which are well known to explode in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea.